You know what time it is.
Oh, it's Lisa Louie Shields time, also known as What's for Dinner.
That's
She's
right.
in the CI kitchen today, joining us to make some interesting and exciting and unique Christmas appetizers. You always bring the good stuff.
We're doing hors
Just
d'oeuvres.
for you guys.
Oh, and that's why we love you. So you are just spreading away. What are we doing?
I have quite a few things just to share with you, but they are quick, easy, oh my goodness.
I love quick and easy.
Veggie pizza,
Love it.
Can you
crescent
serve
rolls,
this at Christmas?
anytime.
Really?
Anytime.
Oh, well, that's true.
Because crescent rolls, this is called a docker. They use it for pizzas, but you do like this.
And previously medieval torture.
And it gets, for massage or prenatal, what have you.
All right, so we're going to work our dough a little bit.
We work our dough, then we bake it for 8 minutes. We spread our cream cheese on that we have prepared, and it's on the
Yeah, we'll definitely have it shared right now. What is in it, though, really quick?
It is cream cheese, a little bit of mayonnaise to make it spreadable, and then you can do a packet, or you can buy this in bulk, and it's like 10 times cheaper.
Ranch
so
dressing
much
mix.
cheaper.
Okay.
Then you're just going to, and I'll do a little bit just to show you.
You stuck those in the food processor?
I did it, just chopped it.
Oh, okay.
Broccoli. Now these are mine. You
The
can
rest
use
of us will put it in a food processor
You
that
can
don't have
use
Lisa's skill.
any veggies, but these are my, the easiest.
So you stuck with broccoli, cauliflower, and
carrots.
Okay.
Then
And you could probably add onions.
you can add onions, mushrooms, celery,
Celery.
anything you
Peppers.
want. You can use any seasonings. I like just a couple, and they're on the recipe too.
Okay.
And then top it off.
Oh, definitely gleam it up with some cherry tomatoes.
And doesn't that look Christmassy?
It looks awesome. I can't wait to try it. Okay, but we've got lots more to get to.
Okay. These are so easy. Always have on hand a thing
Hawaiian rolls.
rolls. They are so versatile. So you slice them. You put the remainder. I did. You can use just mayonnaise or what have you, but I just used the leftover of this.
Okay.
Now watch how easy this is.
You're dipping it in bacon bits?
Bacon.
Lettuce. Oh, it needs a little bit more.
A little bit more lettuce.
Yeah.
And I forgot my toothpicks, but
That's all right. We get the
BLT
gist.
sandwich. How quick
is that?
And bite size.
Do one.
All right.
Do one while I
All
eat
right.
one.
Grab.
So into the.
I don't want to
Dip.
embarrass myself eating this huge tomato.
Well, I'll embarrass myself for you. Then.
Okay,
I'll
dip.
get there. All right.
You know,
In
just-
with the. Yep. In with
And
the
then a tomato.
lettuce.
BLT.
You okay?
I'm making a mess.
You just-
Okay, you're at home.
Have you
Just
eaten
pretend.
today?
Just pretend you're at home. Just pretend you're at home.
She's going to town. Okay, and on it goes. So.
Yeah.
How easy.
I'm going.
Super easy.
The spirals in the box taste like cardboard. So these are.
Tell them how it really is.
You're right.
homemade is
Lisa.
always better.
You're right.
So
Okay.
I have a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of bacon, cheese, tomato. I didn't have any tomato, so I drained a can of Rotel.
Oh, there you go.
Just, roll it up, and then I cut it, and there's your
Little pinwheels.
little pinwheels.
Okay.
You do it with the big tortillas, you get a bigger
Rounder, pinwheel.
pinwheel.
Okay.
These are the Monocle's little.
Way to repurpose.
We call them Barbie tables.
Oh,
But
that's cute.
Yeah, I get that.
but that keeps the tin foil or the press and seal off the top.
Right. Good
Okay.
little trick.
Oh,
What is
it
under there?
It's cream cheese, onion, and crab.
Crab little
Then-
dip. Okay.
Then
Some imitation crab.
I use if you can
Imitation tastes
if
so
you
much
can
better to
afford
me than
it-
regular.
Oh, it's good.
I know.
I just can't afford it. So there's
their own.
I am rolling in the high life mash.
I broke it.
Oh, that's okay.
There you go.
Oh,
Try it.
Thanks.
And so,
Okay.
so it's, yeah, that's fun
Try
because that's
that.
a great way to add a
Yes.
little bit of
Oh, it's got a kick to it, that sauce.
seafood to it.
Well, it's cocktail sauce.
Yeah.
In the oven,
Oh, my, there's
Wait.
more.
I will drain these and get these on for the next segment.
Oh, okay.
This
like
is
little-
every day.
I wish.
bacon covered watered chestnuts.
Ooh.
Wow.
Okay, I'll drain
That's
them,
different.
and then I'm going to put this sauce on it, and then I'm going to bake them some more.
Is that like a honey mustard sauce or something?
No, that's a brown sugar, and ketchup,
Oh.
and it's going to
Okay.
Okay.
Marinate on there. Okay,
marinate
we're gonna
and
let
get
you.
crunchies.
We gotta let you keep going.
And one more,
Oh, okay.
right behind, is sausage balls. Okay, Oh, there you go.
And what did you put in here?
And you can make these gluten-free. I didn't today.
That's all right.
But it's sausage, Bisquick, and they do make a gluten-free Bisquick, cheese, tomatoes, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Little bit.
Oh.
And I'm going to bake them while they're...
And what does the Bisquick do to make that?
Rises them up and makes them firm.
Okay, we gotta stop because we've got all these recipes on StayLiving.tv right now. But we need to check in on our boy Joe out.